Are you hearing strange noises coming from your suspension while driving? Maybe it's a clunk when you hit a bump or a rattle when you're turning. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 most common causes of suspension noise, so stick around. 1. Worn control arm bushings or ball joints. One of the most common culprits is worn-out control arm bushings or ball joints. When these components become loose or deteriorated, they create excess play in the suspension system. This often results in a clunking sound, especially noticeable when driving over uneven surfaces. 2. Damaged sway bar links. Next up, sway bar links. Over time, the rubber boots can tear, letting in dirt and moisture. That leads to corrosion and internal wear. Once that happens, you'll likely hear creaking or clunking noises when going over bumps or taking corners. 3. Failing tie rods. Another common issue is worn tie rods. The inner or outer ends can loosen up, causing play in the steering system. When this happens, you may hear a clunking sound, especially when turning the steering wheel back and forth. 4. Worn-out struts or shocks. Struts and shocks are designed to absorb the impact from rough roads, but if they're worn out, they can't dampen the suspension properly. The result? Excessive bouncing and banging noises as metal components slam together. Loose strut mounts can also make clunking sounds when turning the wheel. 5. Broken coil springs. These are under constant tension, and over time they can crack due to rust, age, or impact, like hitting a nasty pothole. When they break, the pieces can rub or shift, creating loud pops or clunks, especially during turns or over uneven terrain. Want to diagnose the issue? Try the bounce test on each corner of the car, or jack it up and wiggle each wheel side to side and up and down. If something's loose, you'll feel it. Let me know in the comments what kind of noise your car is making. Your experience might help someone else dealing with the same issue.